Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Monday, December the 6th, 2010. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today. We've had a candle that's just made a higher high and a higher low. But unfortunately for the bulls, we can see that we've had a change of character in the final candle. Previously, we can see large green-bodied candles, and the worrying thing about this trend as it was developing to the upside was that the size of the body of the candles, even though they were green, was getting smaller and smaller each time as we were approaching the support up around 1226, the resistance up around 1226, 1227. The market has now capitulated up around that area, and we can see that we have a spinning top type candle with a very small red body. The spinning top denotes indecision, so as the markets tried to rally through that area, the sellers have come in and sold the market off. By the same token, the buyers were not strong enough to close the market down below the area around 1219, which offered potential support, nor were they strong enough to take the market down below the previous low. So a lot of indecision in this market. But the important thing is that what you want to see as the market's rallying in an uptrend is that the bulls are in control. The bulls are making net progress all the time. You don't like to see them making less and less net progress as the market develops. So there is a very strong potential for a change of trend in tomorrow's trading. That's why the low of the current candle, which is at 1220 roughly, is very important for the market over the next few days for a potential lower high and lower low for a potential change of trend. Now, also in candlestick terms, this is a potential harami reversal pattern. We have the previous trend with the market making higher highs and higher lows, and then we have the body of the current candle engulfed by the body of the previous candle. So that's a potential harami. So that makes the area around 1220 even more important for this market. So there is very strong potential for a change of trend. If the market does come off, there's strong support down at 1200, a round number. And both the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen are trading around that level. So that reinforces the strength of support around that level. So if the market does come off and it starts trending down, we should see good solid support around that level. There's strong support all the way down through many levels down to the top of the cloud around 1173. And as the market continues trading over the next few days, that support from the top of the cloud will actually rise to meet the market. As we can see here, the cloud is moving up. Now, the market still retains its overall bullish bias by trading up above the cloud. And the market's also bullish in the medium-term and fast-term time frames by trading up above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, which is the pink line and the green line here. We haven't had a crossover of the Tenkan-sen above the Kijun-sen yet. If the market does continue rallying, that may happen. And if that does happen, that will be a bullish signal and a fairly strong bullish signal. Now, if we won't look here, but there isn't very strong resistance up above this level until the market trades up to roughly about the 1260 region. So if we do have a bullish close up above this area, there is a good strong potential for the market to trade up another 30 points or so. So a very important level for this market over the next few days. So watch the area around 1226, 1227, but also the area down around 1220 for a potential lower high and lower low in a retracement of the first time frame uptrend.